In this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to promote CPA offer and get conversion. So in this particular video, we're going to be using Cpagrip. Okay, the CPA network is called Cpagrip. So what we're going to do is to use Cpagrip and go ahead and see how we can be able to pick a valid offer from Cpagrip and go ahead and convert this CPA offer and see how we can be able to promote CPA offer in Cpagrip. And also you can use the same strategy with any other CPA network. So first thing you're going to do is to make sure that you log in into your CPA network. So any CPA network you are using, if you are using Cpagrip like me, you are going to go ahead and follow exactly the same process. Now, if you are using any other CPA network, all you also need to do is to go ahead and follow the same process and get any valid offer from that particular CPA network. As you can see right over here, this is $0. So we're going to go ahead and pick a valid offer. There are several ways of picking valid offer here. Now, the first way is actually coming over to the monetization tools. We have multiple options here. The first option is content locker. Then we also have URL file locker. We have video locker as well. These are under categorized monetization tools. Now, the second option basically is offer tools. Now, in the offer tools, if you click on it, you're going to see my offers. In my offers, we also have smart links. We have RSS feed, offer feed, and we have JSON offer feed as well. These are categorized under offer tools. Now, the offer tools gives you access to offers in specific countries. And also, each of these countries, they have defined devices that is assigned to each of the offers. So what you need to do basically is to come over to my offers. And if you click on this my offers, it takes you to where you're going to go ahead and select the offer from a specific country as you want to go ahead and promote. All right, so there's another way to actually get access to valid offers from Cpagrip specifically, not any other CPA network, but for Cpagrip. Okay, so what you just basically need to do is to go ahead and understand that method. All right, so once you come to the my offer section, you're going to go ahead and select the type of offer you want by sorting the offer from the country list. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'll type United States. And if I type in United States, you can basically see right now that it's going to go ahead and reload all the available offers, okay, in the United States. And once the offers are listed here, you can now go ahead and also sort the offers based on the type of device. We have different devices. Over here we have desktop. Over here you can see we have desktop, we have Android device, we have iOS device as well. So you can basically see that the lists are going to be combined devices. Okay, after that you're going to basically go ahead and look at the type. If you click on the type here, you're going to see that each devices are separated. So you're going to go ahead and pick the offer you want. Basically, this one is Image Zip Submit, and you are going to get paid just $1.84. So what you need to do now is to go ahead and click on this particular one. Okay, once you click on it, then you are going to wait for the offer page, the page description to come up. And once it come up, you're going to now see the specific device for this particular offer, the date the offer was uploaded to the CPA network. And then once you are satisfied with all those criteria, you are going to go ahead and copy the link of that offer and move on straight to the next stage. And basically, as you can see right here, this is how the offer is going to look like if you're going to be performing this particular offer. Okay, now once you scroll down here, you're going to copy the link. Okay, so let me go ahead and scroll down. Basically, let me scroll down here, and this is the offer link. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. So after copying it, the next thing you're going to move straight to where we call landing page building system. Okay, landing page building system is basically where you need to house the list of each of the offers you are going to be performing. So this is just one specific offer. If you're going to performing 100 offers or 20 offers or 30 offers, each of those offers will be housed in a landing page, and you need to build those landing page by yourself. As a marketer, all you need to do is to come right over here. And then basically I use Google Site. Now you are going to also be using Google Site, or you can use any other landing page builder that you have. Okay, then what you need to do is to click on this big plus, and once you click on the big plus, then all you need to do next is to begin to bring in the offers that you copied, the link of the offers, okay, into the landing page. Basically, let me show you example of the one that I have already created. So as you can see right here, this is the example of my sample landing page, and what I did basically is very simple. In this landing page, what I did is just to place one offer, second offer, the third offer, fourth offer, and the fifth offer. That is 5 different offers that I am performing right here. Okay, after I did that, I screenshotted a landing page, okay, which is the image you are seeing on the screen here, and I published this. Now you don't need to make it more fancy to look like as if the audience is going to be attracted to the landing page. So what you just need to just a simple design, and then you are good to go. Click on the publish button and then copy the link of this landing page. Now after your landing page is set, the next thing is for you to now go ahead and set up your CPA self converter tool. Now this is where you're going to be using the link of the landing page, okay, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you right here. So in the CPA self converter tool, what you need to do is to build what we call organic traffic. Now you need to build organic traffic in order to register an authentic CPA converting system. Okay, now if you come over here, you're going to provide a profile name, and then come over here and select any version of the browser that you're going to be using. And then if you scroll down here, you can see we have user agent, and in this user agent, basically I don't like using this one, so I will show you how to get an active user agent that are going to be used. Any of the generated user agent from here, I don't like using them, okay, because they are not giving me the desired result. So if you come over to the user agent here, go ahead and select any version, and after selecting the version, then you're going to come here and enter the one that you're going to copy it from another source. Okay, then if you come down right over here, you're going to make sure that the remark is empty and the cookie is also empty, so I'll delete them. Now if you come down here, you're going to go ahead and enter your proxy. If you enter your proxy and your port number, if your proxy has a username and password, you're going to also enter it here and here as well. Then make sure you click on the check proxy to make sure that the connection is successful. Now I know that you probably may not take this serious, but I want to repeat this part. This is user agent. Make sure that you copy it from a external source, okay, and I'm going to also review that as well. So now the external source of the user agent you are going to copy will automatically give you the direct device. So if you select Android device, if that is the offer you want to convert, remember that in the landing page, let's go back to the landing page. Basically, if you come to the landing page, maybe this offer 1 is for Android phone and this offer 2 is for desktop. So coming over to the user agent, basically you select this one. When you finish converting the one for Android phone, you're going to switch back this one to desktop so that it can also be able to convert the second offer. Okay, so remember that you are deleting the one that is given to you from the system here and copy from external source. Then after your proxy have been set up and you're successfully connected to the internet, you are going to click on OK, and boom guys, you are going to now proceed to the next part where you are going to be demonstrating the entire process of actually converting the CPA offer from the landing page directly from here. Okay, so the next important part is how to get an active proxy that can easily connect you to a different location as you're going to go ahead and perform any of the CPA offer. So you're going to be coming to asoc.com, and in ASOC you're going to be getting access to at least 3 GB for free, and the link will be in the video description. Once you have used my promo code in the video description to register and you get your free IP, all you need to do is to come over to the create section. I'm going to create a proxy based on each country of your choice. As you can see right over here, we have United States, we have different country as well. So all you need to do is just to go ahead and pick any of the country as is associated to the particular offer you want to go ahead and convert. And also remember that we have device type, so you can be able to choose the specific device that you need. And as you can see here, we have three. We have 1, 2, 3. The first one is mobile proxy, and the second one is residential proxy and the corporate proxy. So always uncheck these two. I always prefer using the mobile version because the active proxy in mobile version has always proven to be more effective. So that is why I use this one. Okay. All right, guys. So if you want to gain access to macro mini class course where you can just get access to immediate course, okay, without spending a penny, all you need to do is to click the link to this landing page in the video description, and you can basically go ahead and make your choice of which of the package that you want to gain access to. Okay, and once you gain access to this mini course, in case if you cannot actually gain access to our mentorship course, okay, you can directly get access to the mini course directly from this link. All right, and if you want to also get a mentorship course where you can get the standard package and the premium package, all you need to do is to reach out on WhatsApp. Okay, so once you send WhatsApp message, I'm going to go ahead and connect with you directly.